Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a middle dot. The middle dot, or interpunct, is a versatile symbol. While there are several ways to insert it, we will focus on the most consistent and widely applicable methods. This ensures you can always add it, regardless of your specific software or operating system. Let's dive into the primary technique. For Windows users, the Alt code method is incredibly straightforward. Simply hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, then type the numbers 0, 1, 8, 3 using your numeric keypad. Remember to ensure your num lock is engaged. This precise sequence will instantly generate the middle dot, making it a quick and efficient way to insert the symbol into any document or text field. If you're on a Mac, accessing the character viewer is simple. Press Ctrl, Command, and the spacebar simultaneously. Search for middle dot or interpunct and click to insert. Windows users can open the character map, find the middle dot, select it, and then copy and paste it into their document. These visual tools are excellent alternatives when an Alt code isn't feasible or remembered. Another practical approach is simply to copy a middle dot from an existing text or a trusted online resource, then paste it where needed. While some specific software might offer dedicated insert symbol menus or custom shortcuts, the Alt code and character map methods remain the most universally reliable. These ensure you can always access the middle dot, providing consistent results across virtually all applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.